Hello and welcome back to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy and I'm so happy that you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be sharing a thrift haul that I've done recently. So I do enjoy thrifting and I'm going to share some of the items that I picked up on my most recent trip. So the first thing I picked up is this glass vase that I think is really pretty with kind of the scallop top. I think this will be nice to put some faux plants in or either some real plants, but I just thought this was really pretty and nicely done. There are no markings on it, so I'm not sure where it's from. I just like the unusual shape of it and just thought it was really cute, and it was like $2.99 for it. The next item that I picked up is this. Now it was missing the top, so I'm probably gonna try to find a top for it, but I just thought this was so pretty and kind of has some Asian vibes to it. The coloring of it is really pretty, and I love this little tassel and the little square thing. At first I thought this was the lid to it, but it is not. So I'll find a lid for it, but this will be perfect just to kind of sit on a shelf or in a corner or somewhere just to add a little bit of decor. Look at the designs all around it. I just thought this was so cute, and these little handle thingies here on the edge just makes it really unusual, so I really like that about it. The next item that I picked up is a candle holder, which will be perfect for a centerpiece, and it is in all black. So I picked that up, and this was $2.99 for this. Then I picked up a little glass bowl. They only had one of these, but I really like the shape of this. And again, it's kind of like that wavy effect to it, but this was really cute. I thought it was $1.99, trimmed in red. Be perfect for the Christmas holiday season or Valentine's Day to just use for a little dish to put something in, but that was nice. Then I picked up this lecrueset. I think that's how you pronounce that, wine opener. This will be perfect for my bar cart. And as you know, lecrueset is a very, very, very expensive brand. I got this for $1.99. So I was very excited about that. It has a little red touch in there. The next item that I bought is a ginger jar. I have been all about ginger jars lately, and this one is very unique in the colors. Look at that. The fuchsias, the greens, all different colors. So this could be so versatile with so many different decor styles or colors, but this is just perfect. So I picked this up, and the price is not on it, but I believe this was $3.99 for this. And then I also picked up, let me not break them, these plates here. And these plates, when I saw the plates first, and I picked them up, and I was like, oh, these are so cute. They only had two of them, and they were 99 cents each. And then I put them in my basket and walked a little while, and then that's when I saw this. And I'm like, well, this will go together nicely. So that will be a beautiful tablescape for the spring and maybe even the fall. I mean, I may use this sooner than the spring, but I just thought it was so cute. But I only had two of these, and they were 99 cents each. Look at the detail in that. Those are so pretty to me. The last item that I picked up is a map of the United States, and it is made out of cork, so you can take your little cork pens. I love to travel, so I also like to keep track of where I've been. My dream is to see all 50 states. I am nowhere near that. But this way I can put my little stick pins in the states that I have already been to and just kind of put this up. I probably will put this up on my gallery wall, which is my travel wall. But I just thought this was really nice. And this also was $2.99. So that's what I picked up. Those are my items. I have one more thing. Hold on. I was just about to say that was everything, but this is the last thing. This was actually my favorite piece, one of my favorite pieces from this. I love this. This is just a vase. It does have some scratches on it and everything, so it will be getting a little bit of a makeover at some point, but I love the shape of it. I think it's really cute. I'm probably gonna do it black matte when I repaint it. So that's what I'll be doing there. And this was $2.99, I'm pretty sure, as well. And you'll see this real soon in a tablescape. So be sure to stop back by in a couple days to see my next tablescape, and this will be a featured item there. So that's all I have for my haul today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not currently subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload a video. And sorry, the lawn people are outside and it is so distracting. But anyway, I hope that you have a wonderful day and that you stop back by next time to see what I'm doing over here on the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Until then, bye-bye.